tough day to start out. Market slid all day and at the end bounced a little bit. I got some longs and shorts to show you. Gold continued its advance. I don't know how much longer it's got, but I could see 56, maybe even before not too long, low 60s, but I think it needs to rest in here. We'll see. Hertz, after exploding the last 2 days of last week, today pulled back, held as a gap and bounced nicely from 661 to 771. Down 53 cents, but still I'm looking at this as potential if it backs and fills or consolidates or just holds here and goes. Once you get through 8 and 3/4, my target's 11. KOD, big downtrend from the 11.5 range all the way down to 2. $1.92 is the actual low. It's now surged for a week in a row, and today volume picked up. Looks like it's kind of stock that could make a bigger move. I got my target about 4 1/4. KOLD coming out of a long downtrend, reversed, broke out, wedged, popped, 3-day flag, and today broke out again. I like the way it's acting. I'm expecting a test of 30.31, but we get through that, mid-30s or more. MLGO spiked and exploded from 657 to 1650, a $10 move. Backed off to just under 12, finishing up 504. It's a 74% gain at 79.5 million. I think it was 86, including pre and post after hours. But if you look at the spike, pullback, there might be another move in it into the 30s or even 40s. We'll see. Keep a close tab on this one. It's very volatile, but it can fly. Worth looking at for day trades. I'll keep you posted tomorrow. NTLA, long downtrend. At one time in 2021, the stock was 175. A week ago, it was at 590. It's moved back up to 8. Resistance at 9, and then 10.5. We'll see if that extends. QURE, stock trader swing, popped and followed through today nicely. It's right at resistance. We get through here. We're looking at a run to about 16 3/4, maybe even 19. SPEV exploded, particularly after hours. Take a look at that massive move right there after the market closed. Then it's calmed down. So maybe in a buying position at this point, having pulled back near support. We'll see if we can get it going again. Targeting 18.5. First 15 and 18. SMMT, beautiful basis formed, broke out, pulled back, got a wedge going. Today jumped 73 cents, only 3%. But if it comes out of here, out of the base, we're looking at 33.5. So the target's at 29 and 33.5. That's the long side. Let's look at some shorts. Pretty ugly patterns, folks, I will tell you. ALAB in a semiconductor group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down in a bounce. It's at least retesting, but if it doesn't hold support at 48, this could be a $38 to $40 stock. Allison, tech trader swing short. We gave it to you here around 102. It subsequently dropped to 80, bounced negative, and a big one, reversal day today. Tech trader swing targets are now 80 and 76. Kava trying to base. I'm not sure it will, but let's put it this way. If it holds this pattern, it might be an inverse head and shoulders for me. He's going to be the neckline at 95. You get to that, 105 and 112 type targets. FRPT looking horrendous. After rolling over from the 165 area, in 90 days it's down to 73, losing 90 points. And it still looks ugly. If it breaks here, it's in trouble. It might run all the way down to mid-60s. GoDaddy dropped hard from the wedge or flag. We went short. It's dropped from 182 down to 155 and bounced. Today was a negatory day. Down 657 to 165. Wouldn't be shocked to see 153.55 and then 141.42. Intap with the 1, 2, 3, 4 wedge and breakdown of the wedge. So I'm looking for an extension that takes this one down towards 44. KKR, also a nasty downtrend with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a bounce. Either we base in here and we break out and cover over 114, or it rolls over, it gets down into the 80s. ORCL really looking ugly here. This massive top, rounding top formation, breakdown of the trend channel, and negative hard move down, filling this gap to secondary support in that zone. But if it doesn't hold here, 115 and 102 are targets. TRGP, we put a text-rated swing short on it, just too juicy a short in my mind, with the head and shoulder top to break down the rising wedge right to the neckline. Well, we went short at 169, it dropped down to 155, and then bounced back up to 165, but still was down about 5 points at 5%. Looking for more downside indeed. 138.40. UTHR rounding top or head and shoulder top, breakdown bear wedge where I said this is a short. Rolled over hard from 320 to 265. Bounce, but look at that negative reversal day today. Seems to me it's going lower, 245 and maybe 215. That's a look at some of the longs and short and hot ones at thetextrader.com. Good night, everybody. Talk to you tomorrow.